If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. What's your name? Kai. And what's your name?
Micah.
And today is what?
Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. And I want to show you, all you kids and your dads, listen up, because we are going to make Pizza Hut breakfast bakes. Breakfast bake. What's more delicious than pizza for breakfast? I don't know. Anything?
I don't know.
You don't know? Be careful with this. So we're going to show you just how we make it. Super duper easy. Kids can do it too. What you're going to start with is a cast iron skillet if you have one, because I'm going to put this into the oven. My oven's on at 350, and I have a ½ pound of ground pork. So I'm going to turn this on. Don't break any eggs at you, mister. And I'm turning this on. Micah, can you saute this up? Start pushing that down. I'm so glad you came. I'm so blessed to have all of you support us, because I started writing cookbooks to raise money for you two, didn't I?
Yeah.
To adopt you two. And now, look what's going on. We're having fun in the kitchen together. I'm so grateful. I don't want to cry. I won't cry. We're going to add 1/4 cup of onion to the ground pork, because I like onion in my pizza.
No cracking eggs.
And Kai, you start cracking 8 eggs into a bowl. See, this is why it's nice to have your kids help, because I couldn't do all 3 things at once. And this is my roasted garlic. I always have roasted garlic in my freezer. I made a YouTube video, how to roast garlic. I like roasted garlic because it's more mild than raw garlic. And it's really, whoops, all you do is you squirt it out. So that's gonna go right on in there. A couple pieces of roasted garlic, not the whole thing. Unless you really like garlic, go for it. And then we're gonna add some Italian seasoning to the ground pork. There we go. Probably not the whole thing, huh? That was a lot. All right, so into Kai's eggs, I'm going to, where did that whisk go?
Below you.
Oh, we dropped it. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Oh, you got he's got a shell in there. Kai, oh no.
I have like too much.
You get that out. I have the best Pizza Hut spice mix. If you remember Pizza Hut and they had like breadsticks, you don't even know Pizza Hut, do you?
I do.
You do? Okay. The commercials. You're gonna put this on the top, just like they did to their breadsticks, and that's on another YouTube video. So Kai, we're just gonna keep on going, okay?
It's like slime.
Do we have all the eggs broke? Keep doing it. Keep breaking the eggs, and then you're gonna add 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Always get your tomato sauce in a glass jar, okay? We ordered that from Healthy Traditions. They're very kind people. You're also going to add 1/4 cup of chicken broth or beef broth. I use my kettle and fire. If you have homemade, kudos to you. I just don't. Too busy. And you're going to add your salt. Oh, get that salt out of there. We have our Redmond salt that we love. And we're going to add shredded mozzarella, 3/4 cup. And if you follow those directions and those amounts, it's all going to fit into this. Oh, perfect, Micah. That ground pork is nice and brown. Let's just make it real small like that, okay? And it will finish baking. I don't see any pink left. So Kai, you have that all mixed up. That looks delicious. Now, yes, I added everything. Sometimes I forget stuff, don't I? Good job. You can go wash your hands. I'm going to pour this right on. Oh, careful, bud. I'm going to pour this right on in there. Oh, see, it fits perfectly. And then I'm going to mix it. You can mix it a little bit. Real gentle. So some of the pork incorporates with the eggs. Perfect. Now, that's not too hot. I'm going to set this onto a baking sheet just in case it spills over. It probably won't. It never has on me, but I don't want that to happen because I do not want to clean the whole oven on Mother's Day. And then I'm going to put my Pizza Hut spice mix all over the top. And then that's going to go into the oven, a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes, and we'll catch you back in a little bit. Where did Micah go? Oh, he's right there. Oh my goodness, it smells like Pizza Hut. Oh, and did you notice I'm wearing my Italian sweatshirt? Ciao, Bella! Ciao!
Bella!
All right, so I'm gonna grab, careful, it's hot. Here we go. And this is our Pizza Hut breakfast bake. Now, I like sauce, so I would make a little bit of a homemade pizza sauce with it, with that tomato sauce that I have, just because it's so darn delicious. But this is your breakfast bacon. You can just slice this like a pie, and you have an easy breakfast. Now, tell your friends how easy and delicious keto can be by sharing this video, right?
I was gonna say that.
Sharing is caring. Mahalo, everyone.
Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with